Here's what's next on Project C10. All right, a couple things I want to bring you up to speed on. The hood that we've got, it is a used hood. We ended up doing some body work on it, get it straight, and painted the whole thing inside and out. But what I wanted to do is have something a little different on the inside of the hood. We decided to do a flat satin clear on what was showing, and then also use this Acoustic hood. It's a hood insulator kit for it. It's specific for this truck. Gives it a nice, clean look. So when you open up the hood, and it kind of matches our theme with a lot of whites and blacks anyway. You see a ton of these trucks, and you don't see too many hood insulators. You just see the hood. You know, so I wanted to go with something just a little bit different, and I'm thinking with the flat white on the inside as well as the insulator, it'll give it that unique look. All right, believe it or not, it took us a few hours, but we got the windshield in place. A couple of quick tips, using lots of soapy water around the gasket itself where it matches up to the glass, enables it to slide around and move to fit, otherwise it tends to bind. So we took 2 shots at it. The first time we didn't have enough. The second time, it went right into place. So these things will fight you. Take your time, use the rope technique all the way around. This is not a impossible task, but you do need help. You need 2 to 3 people to put one of these in. Don't ever try to do it by yourself. But now that it's in, that's a milestone for us. We're waiting on the gasket for the rear glass, and that's going to go in next.
All right, so we're gonna go over, we've got all the glass in, made a lot of progress, but it was a challenge. So what did you guys kind of face? I know I got some nasty grams.
Right.
The front windshield was difficult, so.
Well, it kind of kicked our ass a little bit.
Yeah.
Pardon my French. But it did. So it took us about 5 hours to get in. It took about 3 tries to get it in right. You can do it quicker, but the quicker you go, the more you screw things up. A lot of that time was spent cleaning up the glue afterwards. So, but it's done, it's in, it looks good, and now all glass is in. We don't have to do any more glass.
Yeah, we're getting there. Stay tuned.